What is up, you guys? This is me, Reena, Screen, and welcome back to my channel. And it's truly been a while since I did some hauls. So today here I am to share with you guys what I purchased recently from this Instagram store. With that being said, yes, this is my yet another edition in my Insta shopping series. If you don't know what that exactly is, so I just go around shopping from Instagram stores and pages and let you guys know if the products are authentic, how was the service, where you can find the best deal, where you can get international makeup for a really good price. So basically, I'm your that friend on the internet that helps you save your money. You're welcome. So if you want to keep saving some money, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button right below, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so to get updated every time I'm online. And yeah, with that being said, let's get started. Let's go. Okay then, so I bought all of this makeup from this Instagram store called Posh Makeup Store on Instagram. The link is in the description and the picture is right on the screen. So basically this is a store which is based in Mumbai, and you get 100% authentic American US based brand makeup. I don't know why I said US and American, but you get the drill, right? They have brushes as well. If you want to place an order, you can easily DM them or you can WhatsApp them if that's your thing. However, what makes them different from the other Instagram pages is simply the fact that they have this exclusive drugstore US based brand which is called as A2O, and they have blushes and highlighters and foundations and concealers, like you name it, and they have it. And they have something for everyone, which is really cool. And what I really enjoyed about these products was that the price point. Okay, let's keep it real. The price point is so freaking affordable. Like, I was looking at it and I'm like, are you kidding me? I literally got the vibes of using Club Factory because it was so inexpensive, and I was like, okay, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, like, you know, add my list, and I made a really big list. Okay, Reena, calm your shit down. Let's try some makeup and then see how it works. Let me share with you guys, and then if I like, I will order more. Very practical logic that I always use at the very end. But once I used it before, and I narrowed my order down to these couple of products that I really wanted to give them a shot and see if I like the products and the company and even the service as well, because the page is fairly new. And to my surprise, I do have to say the service was really bomb.com. I'm really impressed. Now in terms of shipping, which is I know the main concern, 50 rupees guys, 50 rupees shipping. Like, it's been a while since I paid that amount for shipping. And with that being said, along with which you also get a tracking system. Like, girl, hold on there. I don't know how you do that in 50 rupees, but that was really very shocking to me, because I know a couple of Instagram pages that charge you more if you want tracking in your shipping, which is kind of mind-blowing to me. I'm like, I don't care about this tracking. You are responsible. I'm paying you. I'm not going to give you that extra penny for giving me the tracking list. Now with all of that being said, I honestly wanted to make this like a unboxing video so that you could see the packaging in my first reaction, but sadly there was a lot of construction noise while I did the unbox, and I really didn't want to put up that video, so I'm reshooting this whole thing again. However, luckily I kept all of the packaging, so the packaging is right here. As you can see, everything came in nice bubble wrap, and it also has this foamy sheet which I've always seen in high-end makeup. The packaging was so good that I am really impressed, and I was totally confident that none of my makeup is broken for sure, because there were few items which were single pans, which I was really afraid because I've never really ordered single pans, so I was always wondering how would they ship it to me, if it even reached me in one piece. But I'm so glad it totally did. Nothing was broken, which again, I'm totally impressed, and I'm happy. If you want to know exactly in Mumbai, it is based in Mulund, so if you're probably living in Mulund, you could just like pick it up. The person I spoke to was really cool, chilled, and overall they're super friendly, they're very kind. And the best part is right now they're taking orders for Colourpop, so if you want to place an order for Colourpop something, so you could totally go on their page and get it for yourself. And yeah, with that being said, let's quickly dig into what all I purchased from them. It's time to rip this apart. Okay, the plastic is of really good quality. We see new makeup. Oh my god, I get so excited when I see new makeup. It's unreal. We have everything in bubble wrap. Alright, so my first product is actually a Z palette, and it's the most adorable Z palette on this planet Earth. Ta-ta-ta! It's so cute! And as I said, it was nicely packed in this foamy paper and with some bubble wrap. It comes in this beautiful plastic packaging as well, and once you get it out, this is how it looks like. It's very clear and matte, just the way I like it. And now when I open it up, you're going to see all of the other 4 items that I purchased. As I mentioned, I ordered those single pants, so obviously I was not going to fill a new Z palette with old makeup, was I? No. As a result, my bank is crying right now, but who cares? Anywho, let's celebrate new makeup. So this is how it looks like right now, and ta-da-da-da! Yes, this is so cute. So all of these 3 are blushes, and this is a highlighter. I'm going to give you a quick swatches of everything so you can see it more clearly. Now you can customize this as per your wish. Obviously you will have to pay a little extra. Already has a blush palette on her side, but if you don't want something or you want to add something, if you like anything over here, you can always DM her and she'll send you whatever options she have. And I really like the quality of the Z palette, because look at this, like, it's not gonna fall off, and I'm really glad that the magnet in here is of good quality. Inside is from the company A2O, which is again something I really wanted to try. That's my first item along with the rest 4 items. So that's what I purchased. Also, if you're wondering how did I receive those single pants, so they arrived in this packaging right here. There was a carton right here and they were placed right in between, and the sheet was what was covering them, and they were completely safe. Nothing was broken, which is mind-blowing actually. So the next thing that I purchased, which is again super cute packaging, and that is this baby right here. It's so cute. Again, it came in this plastic packaging, obviously with the whole foam and the bubble wrapping. It's basically a shimmer brick, and this is the packaging. You also get a thin plastic sheet to cover it up, and then this is how the product looks like. And I do have to say, it actually has more shades than your regular Savannah shimmer brick, or any shimmer brick for that matter that I've seen on the market. I think this is the only shimmer brick that I found which has more options than any of those, which again, I'm all about that line. It does smell chemically, doesn't smell the best, but then again, it's not about the smell, it's about the product, right? Again, I've not tested and tried any of this, so I cannot really comment on how they perform. Let me know if you want to see a review. I would totally love to do it for you. But as of now, I'm totally enjoying the vibes of this makeup. So basically, what I am going to be showing you next is none other than a dupe, rather something that is exactly similar to the Stila liquid eyeshadow. Yes, girl! So basically, I ordered some Glow liquid eyeshadow from this A2O. Again, the packaging is so adorable. Now, let me quickly show you the packaging of this product. I kid you not, the packaging over here is of really good quality. Like, I can feel it right now, right here, that the plastic over here is not your basic cheap one, where it can just crack and open up like nobody's business. It's a really good quality, and it's really nice and chubby. So it's not going to really get lost or start rolling anywhere and everywhere. I don't know if you have that moment. So I'm going to quickly show you the swatches of all of these 4. Even though they kind of look similar right here, I don't know if my camera is picking up or not, but they're not similar at all whatsoever. And heat, fume, wash, dust. I really had fun shopping with these guys. They made shopping makeup so much easy for me, and I do have to say they're really supportive and kind. And like, I'm sorry for giving these exam references literally in all of my videos, but I really couldn't keep track of my makeup or my package. Like, it was the last thing on my mind. But I'm so glad that the page owner constantly kept updating me about my package, which is really sweet of her. She's very quick with her replies as well, unlike other Instagram stores that I know of, which do take around 48 hours. Sometimes, yeah, that shit happens as well. Now, in terms of how long it took, now I do have to say that my order was not something that was instant. stock. That means she did not already have these products. It was a pre-order, which means she was supposed to place an order to the dealer and who would send it to her. So as a result, she already told me at the very start of the order that this will take around 15 to 20 days, which I agreed to. So yeah, it is international makeup. It does take some while. Thank you so much for this lovely experience. I am so glad that I got across this beautiful brand which is exclusively available only on Posh Makeup Store, which is so affordable. So yeah, I think you should definitely give them a shot. I will totally give them a 10 on 10 because I had literally nothing to complain about these guys, because they were literally A1 with everything, like from packaging to the products that they're delivering to us to the customer service that happened and the whole journey. And yeah, with all of this being said, I am so glad that I'm able to support and spread a word across about this beautiful person, because a little fun fact is that she's actually a family member of us, which I feel is so cool. I really love when you guys are doing something. It could be literally from doing makeup to buying makeup or to even experiment with makeup for that matter of fact, and I always love helping and supporting you guys in whatever shape or form possible. So I'm really glad that I'm not just talking about her for the sake of talking. It is not at all sponsored, so there's no way you have to be worried ki oh iski subscriber hai to ye jhoot bol rahi hai. Nope, I will not lie to others just for one, but I'm telling you, as you saw clearly, it's right in front of you, the swatches, the product and everything. So yeah, with all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Do show her some love, support and encourage. And yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The link is in the description. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care.